Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fix YouTube videos not downloading problem. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open YouTube application. Now as an example, if I search a song for downloading, if you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe to it and press the bell icon to get notification of new videos. And now if I click on this video and if I click on download button to download this video, then you can see that this video is not downloading. If you want to fix YouTube video not downloading problem, then here you click on profile picture icon at the bottom right corner. After that, just scroll down. Then here you click on downloads. Now here you can see all your videos which you have tried to download, but videos are not downloading. And if you click on the download icon of a video to download, then you can see that it says this video is not downloaded yet. Now if I try to download another video from here, then you can see that it is not downloading due to the same reason as before. If you want to fix the problem, then here you click on three dots at the top right corner. After that, click on settings. Now here, if your phone storage is full, then turn on the use SD card option. And if not, then just turn off this option. After that, just turn off this option, download over Wi-Fi only. Then go back to the download section. Now if I click on the download icon of a video to download, then you can see that the problem is not solved. To solve this problem, you will download any other video except the videos that are pending for download. So here I will download a video from here. Now the problem has been fixed. You can see that my videos are downloading. So by this process you can fix YouTube video is not downloading problem. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.